Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn simple tech tutorials to share and manage your files smarter. Want to share files or folders instantly using a simple link? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a Google Drive share link and control access like a pro. Step 1. Open Google Drive and locate your file. Go to drive.google.com and sign in to your Google account to access your files. Find the file or folder you want to share, or upload it using the New button if it's not already there. Step 2. Open the Share settings. Right-click on the file or folder and select the Share option from the menu. A pop-up window will appear where you can manage who has access to your file. Step 3. Change link access settings. In the sharing window, click the drop-down that says Restricted. Select anyone with the link. Then choose permission level like viewer, commenter, or editor. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Copy and share the link. Click the Copy Link button to copy your Google Drive link to the clipboard. Press Done, then paste the link into email, chat, or anywhere you want to share it. And that's how you can create a Google Drive share link and easily give access to anyone. Thanks for watching. And subscribe to Preyo Promo for more quick and practical tech tutorials.